Hello everyone, we are Group 2. Today, we take a closer look at Phuc Silk Development Corporation. Phuc Silk Development Joint Stock Company is one of the prominent enterprises preserving and developing the traditional silk weaving craft in Vietnam, particularly known for its famous silk from Vien Phuc village. The company was established in 2015 with its headquarters located in Vien Phuc village, Hào Hong, Hanoi. This area is a hub of the ancient silk weaving profession, boasting over 1,000 years of history. The company not only inherits the intricate craftsmanship from the village, but also boldly invests in and modernizes technology to meet the diverse demands of the contemporary market. The silk production process here is carried out to high standards, from selecting silk threads and designing unique patterns to weaving and dyeing silk by hand. Notably, the company combines traditional techniques with modern technology, preserving the distinctive beauty of Hào Hong silk while creating durable products that appeal to both domestic and international consumers. Currently, the products of Vien Phuc Silk Company serve not only local customers, but also foreign tourists. Many visitors, after exploring and experiencing the products, have expressed great satisfaction and interest in collaborating and placing large orders. This not only brings high economic value, but also contributes to promoting Vietnam's traditional culture to the world. Vien Phuc Silk Village, located 10 kilometers southwest of Hanoi, Vietnam, is an ideal destination for studying silk production due to its rich history, cultural significance, and expertise in traditional weaving. With over 1,200 years of heritage, it offers visitors a chance to observe the intricate silk-making process, from spinning and dyeing to weaving patterns on handlooms. The village serves as a living museum, showcasing Vietnam's silk industry evolution while preserving cultural roots. Students can interact with artisans, gain insights into economic and social impacts, and explore sustainability and entrepreneurship, making it a perfect site for academic and cultural enrichment. This paragraph focuses on Vien Phuc Silk Village in Vietnam as an ideal location for studying silk production. With over 1,200 years of history, the village is renowned for its traditional silk weaving. Students can witness the entire silk production process, from spinning to weaving, and learn from experienced artisans. The village offers a unique blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern adaptation, providing valuable insights into cultural heritage, economic impact, and the evolution of the silk industry. Let's look at the Ishikawa model to see problem which the company is facing. In their courses, we discovered that they have a large of inventory products. There are 5 reasons causing the excess inventory products is human, machine, method, environment, and management, and total prices to improve this problem is $61.238. Swimland's silk production process involves several stages, each crucial to ensuring high-quality silk products. The process begins with importing raw silk from Lam Dong at a cost of $2,000 per kilogram, which takes 12 to 24 hours. Once the raw silk is obtained, it undergoes traditional spinning, where the fibers are extracted from the cocoons, twisted, and spun using a manual spinning wheel. $10,000. This stage typically lasts for 2 to 8 hours, depending on the amount of raw material. After spinning, the loom is warped, with horizontal and vertical threads carefully stretched to create the fabric's foundation. This step requires about 2 to 5 hours and costs $1,200 for the loom. Following warping, the loom is tied, which can take 1 to 3 days, depending on the complexity of the design, with a cost of $1,500 for the tying equipment. The weaving stage, which costs $8,000 for the weaving machine, is the next step. Here, the weaver interlaces the horizontal and vertical threads to form the fabric. Weaving typically takes 1 to 2 days, depending on the complexity of the design. After weaving, the silk moves to the dyeing process, where the fabric is soaked in dye to achieve the desired color. This step takes 2 to 6 hours and uses a dyeing machine costing $12,000. The silk then undergoes a washing process for 3 to 5 hours to remove any residual dye or impurities. With a washing machine costing $2,500, the final stage in the production process is drying, which takes 6 to 12 hours. Since silk is delicate, it is carefully dried in a low heat setting or a shaded area to avoid damage, with a dryer costing $700. Once the drying is complete, the silk fabric undergoes a thorough quality check, lasting 6 to 8 hours. The artisan checks the fabric for color evenness, strength, softness, and smoothness. The supervisor ensures that all quality standards are met, and if the product doesn't meet the required specifications, it is either repaired or replaced, with additional costs for any corrective measures. This stage costs approximately $90, and the supervisor is paid $100 per month. If defects such as uneven color, fabric flaws, or other imperfections are found, the product is either fixed or replaced with a less expensive alternative like hair ties. Throughout the entire production process, costs are incurred for equipment and labor, including the purchase of specialized machinery for spinning, weaving, dyeing, washing, and drying. Each stage is carefully monitored to ensure efficiency and quality, ensuring that Swimland's silk products meet the highest standards before they are shipped. The meticulous attention to detail in each phase from raw material procurement to final inspection demonstrates Swimland's commitment to producing premium silk products for the market. The process of managing product movement from creation to customer delivery involves several key stages: encoding product information, packaging, displaying, and transporting. First, encoding product information is essential for tracking, sales, and compliance. This involves assigning a unique identifier, like a barcode, to each product and capturing relevant data: name, size, weight, expiration date in a centralized system. Labels with this information are printed and attached to products using tools like barcode scanners and label printers, taking about 6 to 8 hours and costing $500. Packaging follows, providing protection, storage facilitation, and retail appeal. Materials like cardboard, plastic, or shrink wrap are chosen based on the product's size and fragility. Packaging also reflects branding and complies with safety regulations, with a focus on sustainability through recyclable materials. Packaging takes 3 to 5 hours per batch. Once packaged, the product moves to the display stage, where it is arranged to maximize visibility in retail spaces. Product placement, pricing, and promotional materials are strategically managed to increase customer engagement. Display time varies depending on marketing and sales factors until the product is sold. The transportation process then ensures that the product reaches its destination in good condition and on time. Logistics involves warehousing, secure packing, and selecting the most efficient shipping methods: road, air, or sea. Tracking systems like GPS or RFID ensure timely delivery and address any issues, with documentation for retail and real-time tracking for e-commerce. A new stop in the silk weaving industry highlights the shift from manual to modern machinery, enhancing production efficiency and reducing human errors. The transition includes automation technologies that speed up processes like spinning and loom warping, cutting production times and doubling output from 2,000 square meters to 4,000 square meters annually. While the transition reduces labor demand, it requires worker training and significant investment in machinery, leading to long-term savings and improved resource use. The modern machinery reduces material waste and energy consumption, though it may increase CO emissions if not managed well. Despite these benefits, there is concern that modern machines may dilute traditional silk weaving craftsmanship. However, by combining modern technology with selective manual processes, the industry can maintain a balance between productivity and preserving cultural heritage. We calculated the result of IRR for this project following equation below, and the result of IRR is 140%. Recommendation is process optimization to reduce the inventory. Marketing and sales strategies. Develop workforce skills. Invest in automation, reducing downtime between stages. Creating more innovative and market-responsive products. Ensuring environmental friendliness and product quality management enhancements. The upgrading of modern machinery systems has brought significant improvements in production. Previously, the time to complete a product was 168 hours, but after the innovation, this time was reduced to just 90 hours. This is a clear demonstration of the improvement in labor productivity and operational efficiency. In addition, the failure rate of machines has also dropped sharply, from 40% in traditional systems to only 5% when using modern machines, helping to limit maintenance costs and minimize interruptions in production. However, some actual targets still do not meet expectations compared to the plan. In the period from July to November, actual production reached 112,000 meters, 300,000 meters lower than the forecast. However, all months recorded relatively stable production levels, ranging from 40,000 meters September to 45,000 meters November. Production costs are also effectively managed, with total monthly costs ranging from VND 3.9 billion to VND 5.7 billion. Despite the improvements, the actual cost savings have only reached 117 million VND month, lower than the target of 315 million VND month. In addition, the current inventory ratio is 17%, which is higher than the plan of 8%, indicating the need for more effective solutions in inventory management. From July to November, the company has achieved positive improvement in safety performance, starting from 85% in July and peaking at 95% in November. This reflects a great effort in improving safety procedures at the factory. The company should continue to maintain effective safety measures to maintain this progress in the future. The product defect rate of Phuc Silk Company from July to November was relatively low, ranging from 8% to 6% and reaching a low of 5% in September and October. However, in November, the defect rate increased slightly to 7%, which indicates that there may be new problems arising in the production process. Phuc Silk Company recorded a clear change in employee performance, with the KPI completion rate from 89% in July increasing sharply to 95% in August, peaking at 110% in September. However, performance then decreased slightly to 103% in October and only 92% in November. This may reflect work stress or reduced motivation. The company needs to study the causes and provide solutions to support employees in order to maintain motivation and stable work performance. Phuc Silk Company has a reasonable production cost allocation strategy, with raw materials silk accounting for the largest proportion 25%, followed by dyeing 21% and spinning 17%. Other stages such as silk washing, weaving and packaging have lower proportions, but still ensure the quality and aesthetics of the product. Labor costs account for only 12%, thanks to the application of mechanization and optimization of production processes, thereby helping to reduce costs and improve production efficiency. The amount of silk raw materials imported by the company during the period from July to November fluctuated significantly. In July and August, the company imported 15 kilograms per month, mainly in preparation for the peak production season at the end of the year. In September and October, production demand increased. The company imported raw materials at 25 kilograms per month to meet production needs for festivals, weddings, and Tet. In November, the import volume decreased slightly to 20 kilograms, but still ensured enough raw materials to complete orders before Tet. This raw material import policy reflects the company's careful preparation in accordance with the season and market demand. In conclusion, the visit to Phuc Silk Development Joint Stock Company offered invaluable insights into operational management and the balance between tradition and modernity. Observing the silk production process, we learned how integrating modern machinery and updated SOPs has doubled the company's capacity to 4,000 square meters annually, compared to 2,000 square meters before. Investments of $10,000 in spinning wheels and $12,000 in dyeing machines underscore their commitment to enhancing productivity while preserving traditional artistry. This experience highlighted the importance of process optimization, quality control, and human resource development, alongside addressing challenges like seasonal demand fluctuations and expanding marketing strategies. Ultimately, it inspired us to apply these lessons to future projects, reflecting the balance between cultural preservation and economic growth. Thank you for watching.